Morning, guys. Today I have got a box here from Strongink. Now, I know that a lot of folks have been doing reviews on their stuff. These actually came in from Carson, California after shipping in from somewhere in Asia. It's the last thing I got shipping department, Carson here. Got about 1 3/4 pounds worth, but it also says it came in from Gulf of LAX. I'm assuming these shipped all the way in from Asia. I normally use collar, PSI, and some stuff from the wood turning store for my pens. But they reached out and said, hey, we'll send you an assortment of stuff. Want you to look it over. We think we can earn your business. And I said, I'd be happy to do that. It sounds good. So the box arrived. Didn't take long. I was out on vacation when it shipped. Oh, they sent me the whole shooting match here. So it looks like it came with some drill bits. Yeah, it's 3 different drill bits. Four different drill bits for all the different pen sizes. So I guess they want to make sure I'm not doing anything silly. All right. And we've got kind of like a sales sample kit here of some various pen kits. Let's take a look at what we got. We have their kit. This one's called the Twist Ballpoint Pen. That looks very, very similar to me. Long barrel. So that'll be a single piece kit. That looks pretty good. We have a kit called Gunmetal Ballpoint Pen Kit. This one has more of a metal cap on top, longer piece of wood, gunmetal to match. Looks like it's got a good engine in there, kind of what I'm used to. PM5 is the name of this kit. We got their fountain pen kit. That'll be a fun one. I think we might start with that. Full fountain pen. Looks like it came with 2 ink cartridges, big ferrule, sets of bushings. So it also comes with the bushings in that. So that's the PFK2CH. That's the chrome fountain pen. And a second fountain pen looks like the same kit, but in gold. That'll be fun to put together. It's got a nib and 2 ink cartridges. And then they sent me some of their standard, looks like here, other project kits. So they don't have just the one thing. They got full project kits for everything. So this has all the bearings. There's the one set of bearings for just says PFK2 series fountain pen. So there's the bearings for the fountain pen. And this is Blum 8. It says right on the back. That's cool. These are the one for the other pen kits. So these PM8, 8G pen kit, and the fountain kit each have their own set of bearings. Then they sent me some of their other projects here, like a little owl. Looks like a bookmark. So I can put some pretty in there. Another set of bushings. These are for the PM5. Okay, so here's the 8. 5 set of bushings, little golf tee thing, so you can make some pretty emblem in there. Looks like that's magnetic on that side. We'll figure that out. I haven't ever put together a golf greens tool. Pretty looking, like I said, little owl bookmark. So I guess you could do a pretty acrylic thing here, or we could turn a really fancy wood thing that matches. Well, I don't know what to do with that. Check it out. And there's something I done. Fork kit. Sent me a fork. Never made a fork kit before. And then there's some barrel trimmer sleeves. And that's going to be interesting. I don't know what the barrel trimmer sleeve set is for, so we're going to have to find some directions and figure it out. Anyway, that's all the samples they sent me. Why don't you guys let me know down below which one of these things you want to see happen first, and I'll get on there and we'll do that review first. But they did send, like I said, that's pretty cool. 9.5mm brad point drill bit. We got the 8mm, 12.5, and a 10.5. So, I mean, they included in the kit the drill bit you need to do it and the bushings. And the bushings look like, standard quality, but they're metal. They're not 3D printed. That's the real deal right there. So, kind of cool. All right, let me know down in the comments which one of these you want me to put together first, and I'll get on it. Until then,
get out there and turn something.